Here's something that might surprise you: skipping breakfast doesn't just make you hungry, it can slow your metabolism by up to 15% and cause your energy to crash before lunch even hits. Yet millions of people either skip breakfast entirely or grab something loaded with sugar that leaves them feeling worse. What if I told you that the right breakfast could completely transform your day in just 10 minutes? Welcome to Health Vita. Today, we're sharing 5 delicious, nutrient-packed breakfast ideas that will fuel your body, sharpen your mind, and keep you energized from morning until afternoon. No complicated recipes, no expensive ingredients, just real food that works. Your morning meal sets the foundation for everything that follows. A healthy breakfast stabilizes your blood sugar, kickstarts your metabolism, improves concentration, and even helps control cravings later in the day. So if you're ready to upgrade your mornings and feel the difference a proper breakfast makes, let's dive right in. Breakfast idea 1: overnight oats with berries and nuts. What it is? First up, we have overnight oats with berries and nuts, a breakfast you can literally make while you sleep. Ingredients and benefits: start with half a cup of rolled oats, which are packed with soluble fiber that keeps you full and supports healthy digestion. Add a cup of your favorite milk, dairy, almond, or oat milk, all work beautifully. Toss in a handful of mixed berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. These are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your brain health. Finally, sprinkle in some chopped walnuts or almonds for healthy fats and protein that provide sustained energy. How to prepare: mix everything in a jar or container the night before, seal it, and refrigerate. When you wake up, your breakfast is ready to grab and go. It's that simple. Why it works: this combination gives you complex carbs for steady energy, protein to keep you satisfied, and healthy fats that support brain function. Plus, the fiber helps regulate your blood sugar, so you won't experience that mid-morning crash. Optional tip: want to mix it up? Add a teaspoon of chia seeds for extra omega-3s, a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, or a dash of cinnamon for flavor and blood sugar control. You can prep multiple jars on Sunday and have breakfast sorted for the entire week. Breakfast idea 2: avocado toast with poached egg. What it is? Breakfast idea number 2: avocado toast with a poached egg, Instagram-worthy and genuinely nutritious. Ingredients and benefits: start with whole grain or sourdough bread, which provides complex carbohydrates and keeps you fuller longer than white bread. Mash half a ripe avocado on top. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber that support heart health and keep you satisfied. Top it with a poached egg, which delivers high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline for brain health and vitamin D for immunity. How to prepare: toast your bread, mash the avocado with a fork, spread it on the toast, and add your poached egg. Season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes if you like a little kick. Total time? About 5 minutes. Why it works: this breakfast combines healthy fats, protein, and fiber, the perfect trio for sustained energy and mental clarity. The fats help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins, while the protein keeps your blood sugar stable and prevents those energy dips. Optional tip: not a fan of poached eggs? Try scrambled, fried, or even smoked salmon for a protein boost. You can also add sliced tomatoes, microgreens, or a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor and nutrients. This is one of those easy breakfast recipes you'll come back to again and again. Before we continue, if you're loving these healthy breakfast ideas, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps us reach more people who want to improve their morning nutrition. And make sure you're subscribed to Health Vita so you never miss our weekly tips on healthy meals and wellness. Also, drop a comment below: what's your go-to healthy breakfast? I'd love to hear what fuels your mornings. Breakfast idea 3: Greek yogurt parfait with granola and fruit. What it is? Breakfast idea number 3: a Greek yogurt parfait with granola and fruit. Simple, colorful, and absolutely delicious. Ingredients and benefits: Start with plain Greek yogurt, which is packed with protein and probiotics that support gut health and digestion. Add a handful of your favorite granola, choose one with minimal added sugar and plenty of whole grains for that satisfying crunch. Layer in fresh fruit like banana slices, mango chunks, or kiwi for natural sweetness, vitamins, and energy-boosting carbs. How to prepare? Layer the ingredients in a bowl or glass: yogurt, granola, fruit, repeat. That's it. This takes literally 2 minutes and looks impressive enough to share on social media. Why it works? Greek yogurt provides twice the protein of regular yogurt, keeping you full and supporting muscle health. The probiotics promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is linked to better immunity and even improved mood. Combined with the fiber from fruit and the complex carbs from granola, this parfait delivers balanced nutrition that keeps you going strong. Optional tip: boost the nutritional value by adding a spoonful of nut butter for extra protein and healthy fats, or sprinkle flax seeds or hemp hearts on top for omega-3s. You can also drizzle a bit of honey or maple syrup if you prefer it sweeter. This is one of those energy-boosting foods that's as versatile as it is nutritious. Breakfast idea 4: veggie-packed scrambled eggs. What it is? Next up, breakfast idea number 4: veggie-packed scrambled eggs, a savory, protein-rich option that's endlessly customizable. Ingredients and benefits: whisk together 2 or 3 eggs, which provide complete protein and essential nutrients like B vitamins for energy production. Chop up vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, and onions. These add fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support everything from eye health to immune function. How to prepare? Heat a pan with a little olive oil or butter, sauté your veggies for a couple of minutes until soft, then pour in your beaten eggs. Stir gently until cooked to your liking. Season with salt, pepper, and herbs like parsley or chives. Done in under 10 minutes. Why it works? This breakfast gives you high-quality protein to keep you satisfied, plus a rainbow of vegetables that deliver essential micronutrients your body needs to function optimally. The combination supports muscle health, mental clarity, and sustained energy without the blood sugar spikes you'd get from sugary cereals or pastries. Optional tip: make it even more filling by serving it with a slice of whole grain toast or wrapping it in a whole wheat tortilla for a breakfast burrito. You can also add cheese, avocado, or salsa for extra flavor. Prep your veggies the night before to make mornings even faster. This is one of those healthy meals that feels indulgent but is actually fueling your body properly. Breakfast idea 5: smoothie bowl with superfoods. What it is? And finally, breakfast idea number 5: a smoothie bowl with superfoods, thick, creamy, and loaded with nutrients. Ingredients and benefits: blend together a frozen banana for natural sweetness and creamy texture, a handful of spinach or kale for vitamins and minerals without affecting the taste, half a cup of frozen berries for antioxidants, and a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt for protein. Add a splash of almond milk or coconut water to help it blend smoothly. How to prepare? Blend everything until thick and creamy, thicker than a regular smoothie. Pour it into a bowl and top with your favorite toppings: sliced fruit, granola, chia seeds, coconut flakes, nut butter, or cacao nibs. Get creative with it. Why it works? This breakfast is a nutritional powerhouse. The leafy greens provide iron and vitamins without you even tasting them. The berries deliver antioxidants that protect your cells, and the protein keeps you full and supports recovery if you work out in the mornings. It's refreshing, satisfying, and gives your body a concentrated dose of nutrients to start the day strong. Optional tip: add a tablespoon of flax seeds or chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s, or throw in a date for natural sweetness if your fruit isn't sweet enough. You can also experiment with different flavor combinations: tropical with mango and pineapple, chocolate with cacao powder and banana, or green with avocado and mint. The possibilities are endless, and it's one of the most enjoyable ways to pack in your morning nutrition. So there you have it, 5 healthy breakfast ideas that are nutritious, delicious, and easy to prepare. 1. Overnight oats with berries and nuts. Prep it once, enjoy all week. 2. Avocado toast with poached egg, healthy fats and protein in perfect harmony. 3. Greek yogurt parfait with granola and fruit, gut-friendly and satisfying. 4. Veggie-packed scrambled eggs, savory, filling, and nutrient-dense. 5. Smoothie bowl with superfoods, a refreshing way to fuel your body. The best part? None of these require fancy cooking skills or hours in the kitchen. They're realistic, practical, and designed for real life. Remember, how you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. When you nourish your body with real, wholesome food, you're not just eating, you're investing in your energy, focus, mood, and long-term health. Small changes lead to big transformations, and it all starts with that first meal. If you're looking for more inspiration, check out our video on meal prep tips for busy mornings. I've linked it in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest healthy recipes and wellness tips. This is Health Vita, helping you live every day with vitality and balance.